Since the pandemic forced us to work remotely, we've been attempting to recreate meaningful in-person interactions. Welcome back to our channel, E-commerce Know-How, and today we're going to discuss e-commerce in the metaverse. We've experimented with apps that allow us to move avatars through spatial audio experiences or play small games. It's not the same as being together in person, but it's a step in the right direction. Roblox with a Lil Nas X concert and Fortnite with a Travis Scott concert are two digital worlds that were successful in recreating a previously offline experience. That is the concept behind the metaverse, a digital experience that encompasses interaction, commerce, experiences, interoperability, and the Internet of Things. Please keep in mind that this is my personal definition. In reality, defining the metaverse in a single sentence is extremely difficult. In a recent interview with The Verge, Mark Zuckerberg made it more concrete. The metaverse, not to be confused with the upcoming Doctor Strange film, is frequently used interchangeably with VR. Even Facebook is investing in VR, though it is only a small part of the metaverse. Commerce will play an important role in your metaverse experience, no matter how you experience it. In this video, we look at how commerce might look in the metaverse and what role SEO might play. What's the hurry? According to the Google Books Ngram Viewer, the term metaverse first became popular in 2008, 13 years before Mark Zuckerberg announced it as a goal for Facebook. But of course, he drew attention to the subject. The reason he did this, however, is an important aspect of metaverse commerce. Several bricks were laid to lay the groundwork for Facebook's participation in the metaverse. Everyone can be a creator in the creator economy, and Facebook wants to be a part of it. Together with platforms such as Shopify and Stripe, social networks began to provide native storefronts and drive the decentralization of e-commerce. The blockchain established the basis for decentralized networks and currencies. Facebook attempted to launch its own cryptocurrency, Libra, which was later scaled back into the Diem Association. The metaverse may also allow Facebook to reclaim a larger role in e-commerce. As I stated in a previous post, organic product discovery no longer occurs on social media. E-commerce in the metaverse, or metacommerce. Digital commerce is not the same as digital goods commerce. The distinction between physical and digital goods is hazy in the metaverse. NFTs are an excellent example. Today, the blockchain enables new forms of commerce, such as NFTs, which can be traded and sold like physical goods on Shopify. Source: uniqueness adds value to digital goods, just as it did to the first vinyl edition of Michael Jackson's album Bad, or the first Iron Man comic. JPEGs were worthless before NFTs because they could be replicated indefinitely. Giving digital goods, such as images, videos, or music, a unique and provable timestamp generates new digital markets in the metaverse. Interoperability, or the ability to transfer products or information from one platform to another, is a key principle for metaverse commerce. CryptoPunks, which are unique collectible characters with proof of ownership stored on the Ethereum blockchain, are one example that already exists. Having a legitimate CryptoPunk as a Twitter avatar already confers status among those who are aware of them. The metaverse, like Facebook, creates a new playground for people to gain and display status. Cloud, a social network status measurement tool, was an early attempt, but more immersive digital worlds will provide more opportunities. As evidenced by the influencer economy, status breeds commerce. People with a lot of attention are already creating billion-dollar brands: Rihanna, Fenty Beauty, Kylie Jenner, Kylie Cosmetics, that will continue and intensify on the metaverse, possibly with new products that we cannot predict at this time. The metaverse is SEO. It's difficult to predict what role SEO will play in the metaverse, but we do know that content will be generated by users. When there are a lot of agents in a system producing a lot of output, discovery becomes a bottleneck. Search in the metaverse may look different than it does today, but I can't imagine a digital experience with commerce and creators that doesn't include search. Roblox is already one of the most searched brands on the internet. Roblox hosts millions of games created by creators on their website, which generate millions of organic monthly sessions. Some games receive thousands of Google searches each month. Roblox is a good example of an ecosystem that creates a part of the metaverse, and search is an important part of it. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your views about e-commerce in the metaverse? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.